it's time for the third assignment in this course. In this module, we examined Redux forms. We saw both controlled forms and uncontrolled forms. Then you had a brief introduction to Redux, and then we looked at React Redux forms as a way of creating forms in our React application. In this assignment, we will explore forms in a little more detail. There are 3 tasks in this assignment. Let's look at the details next. When you go to the application in the browser and then go to the menu and then select any specific dish, now within the dish, right below the comments, you will see this new button being added. Now this would be part of a new component called as the comment form component that you will add to the dish detail component.js file. This comment form component will be used in the render comments function component that you have implemented in the dish detail component.js file, and will, when included, will add this button into the field there. Now when this button is clicked, this will pop up a modal containing the form for our component. So creating this comment form component and then adding it into our application is the first task in this assignment. In the second task, as I said, when you click on the submit comment button, you would have the comment form pop up in a modal as shown here. Now constructing this form would be the second task of your assignment. So in this form, you will find 3 items there. The first one is a rating field, which we use the select to create the rating field here. So you will have the choice between 1 and 5 for giving the rating. So you will use the select for creating that. The next one will be a text field where you type in the name here. And then the third part would be a text area field with the label comment. The text area field here itself contains 6 rows that allows you to type in the comment about the dish here. And then, of course, a button called submit, which when clicked will submit the comment. And so you need to implement all of these, support for this in your comment form component there. This is the view of the comment form component. So you are making use of a button there, which when clicked will pop up this modal, and inside the modal, you are displaying the form as shown here. Then the third task in your assignment would be to add form validation. In this case, the only form validation that you need to add is to the name of or the author name here. So the author name, as you see, would contain at least, so if you don't type anything in there in the author name, and then you would immediately notice that an error message pops up saying must be greater than 2 characters. So as you type in the name, disappears. And as you see, once you exceed 15 characters, then the error message pops up that it must be 15 characters or less. So that's the form validation that you need to do for this author field in your form. So that'll be the third task in your assignment. Now, when you fill in the form, so let's select a rating of 3, and then I'll type in a more meaningful name there, and then submit. Then, of course, you have the handle submit function that is implemented in the comment form component, which will show this comment in an alert box as shown here, and also will print this out into the console log. So in the alert box, you see the 3 fields being shown here: the author, the rating, and the comment field being shown here. And when you click on the OK, both the comment form and the alert box are both dismissed. So that completes the third task in this assignment. So 3 tasks to complete in this assignment as shown here. After you complete the 3 tasks of your assignment, do a git commit with the message assignment 3 solution.